A very good morning to all of you. Now in today class we will learn sound of vowel I. So let's start. Peen, teen, bean, feen, big. So our first word is peen. P sound is p, I sound is e, N sound is na. Peen. T sound is t, I sound is e, N sound is na. Teen. B sound is b, I sound is e, N sound is na. Bean. B-I-N, bean. F sound is f, I sound is e, N sound is na. F-I-N, feen. B sound is b, I sound is e, G sound is g. B-I-G, big. Next is F sound is f, I sound is e, G sound is g. F-I-Z, fig. F-I-G, fig. W sound is v, I sound is e, G sound is g. W-I-G, wig. W-I-G, wig. Next is P sound is p, I sound is e, G sound is g. P-I-G, pig. L sound is P-I-G, pig. Okay dear students, our today topic is concept of I. Okay, sound of vowel I. So sound is I sound is E. I sound is E. Okay, so this is a picture of peen and this is a picture of bin. And spelling is P-I-N, pin. Okay, P sound is P, I sound is E, N sound is na. P-I-N, peen. P-in, peen. Okay, P-I-N, peen. P-I-N, peen. Now, P-I-N, peen. P-I-N, peen. Next is bean. B-I-N, bean. B sound is b, I sound is e, N sound is na. B-I-N, bean. B-I-N, bean. B-I-N, bean. B-I-N, bean. B-I-N, bean. Okay, now let's complete our work. Okay dear kids, our work is completed. Okay, classwork is completed. Next page is this page is your homework. Okay, you will complete both the pages. What is this? Peen and bean. क्या है? Peen and bean. Okay. Okay, dear students, bye bye. Thank you.